Ever wonder why we love a good drink? Welcome to this explainer. Let's uncover our wildly intoxicating history.
It's not because we invented farming. The real answer, it's buried millions of years deep in our DNA.
Our love affair with alcohol actually started 10 million years ago, way before modern humans even existed. Picture this. Deep in an ancient African forest, a tiny primate finds some overripe, mushy fruit on the ground. Biologist Robert Dudley calls this the drunken monkey hypothesis. Basically, our ancestors literally evolved an attraction to ethanol. See, fallen fruit ferments. Wild yeast breaks down the natural sugars, creating ethanol. It's nature's very first brewery.
When our ancestors gobbled up this funky fruit, they had absolutely no clue they were getting a buzz.
But that ethanol triggered a mild intoxication. It just felt good, rewarding their brains and keeping them hooked.
Most importantly, ethanol meant precious calories. Evolution totally rewarded this calorie-seeking behavior, hardwiring it as a survival instinct. So that biological drive to seek out alcohol, it was built into us way before we ever brewed anything.
So, when did early humans finally take this primate instinct and figure out how to brew on purpose?
13,000 years ago, inside Israel's Raqefet cave, the Natufian people made a massive, game-changing breakthrough.
Even as nomadic hunter-gatherers, they deliberately carved stone mortars right into the cave bedrock, just to brew wild grain.
And this wasn't just a one-off. Fast forward to the massive, mind-blowing site of Göbekli Tepe in Turkey.
Here, early humans actually organized huge amounts of labor to build a ritual space with giant vats for drinking. Expert Patrick McGovern even argues this ancient thirst is exactly what pushed humans to settle down and invent farming.
Once we settled down, things got wild. Our brewing capabilities exploded across the globe at lightning speed.
Over in China, archaeologists found a 9,000-year-old recipe mixing rice, honey, grapes, and wild hawthorn berries. Sounds tasty, right?
And by the time of ancient Egypt, pyramid builders were literally paid their wages in daily liters of beer. It was safer than Nile water, packed with heavy laborer calories, prescribed as medicine, and worshipped as divine. So alcohol didn't just tag along with civilization. It might literally be the very foundation we built it upon. Today, our breweries are high-tech, and our cups are fancier, but that underlying biological impulse, totally identical. Every single sip answers that 10-million-year-old primate drive to hunt down fermented fruit on the forest floor. So next time you raise a glass, ask yourself, are we just modern primates endlessly chasing that fermented fruit?